Hey, allow me to introduce myself as you watch me harvest loofah. My name is Stephanie Brown. Here I go by Farmer Step B. I'm one of the brown farmers. I enjoy long days outside with a cool breeze while working in the garden, sitting by a tree writing, creating art, or just sitting by a body of water, immersed in the sounds surrounding me. I am a student and teacher of life, and the garden is one of my classrooms. Here in this space, I will share what we, the brown farmers, have learned and are learning along the way. Also, if you were greeted by something that you've been putting off this morning when you woke up, go ahead and do it. All right. Talk to you later. Peace.